because I don't like that. I like this. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you like that, go ahead and subscribe right now. Don't waste any time, girl. Subscribe. Don't play with me. Okay guys, so we are going to be getting into a little bit of a first impressions as well as a review and a demo of a new bronzer that I picked up that is from MAC. It is called I'm reading it here. It is called the Skinfinish Sunstruck Matte Bronzer, and it comes in 10 gorgeous shades. They also have like a luminous bronzer as well, but I purchased the matte. And again, they have 10 shades, and the shade range looks so good. You know, MAC is that girl. MAC is the real OG. We've kind of forgotten about MAC because there's so many brands. I can remember the first product that I got from MAC, which was, and my oldest sister bought it for me, it was a clear lip gloss, you know, in like the squeezy tube. It's super damn sticky. I wouldn't wear it now because it's so damn sticky, but it was so glossy and shiny and thick. So if you love thick lip glosses, that is for you. But that was my very first product. And then when I became older and got really into makeup, my entire collection was MAC. Okay, my entire collection was MAC. I don't really know what happened, but I don't know. MAC is probably making a comeback. I really need to swing by MAC and pick up some things, because just purchasing the bronzer made me sort of miss it. Like, I want that old thing back. Okay, so here I have my package. The color that I picked up is called Matte Richer Rosy. This is the cute packaging that it comes in. The classic, of course, MAC logo. It's just like a brown box, or a bronzy box rather. And this is the package that it comes in. So nice. Okay, and let's go ahead and open up the color. Ooh, the color is perfect for me. It looks perfect in the pan. I'm waiting till I put it on my skin, but this is what it looks like in the pan. A really nice, rich color. It's called Rich, isn't it called Rich? Yeah, Richer Rosy. So it's a nice reddish bronzer, which I love. I'm just gonna swatch it on my finger so you guys can see. And this is the color on my hands. Cannot wait to put it on my face. Let me just try to swatch it like on my hand here, so you can see what the color is kind of like. Now that is a perfect color for me to bronze with. I want to look at what the claims say, like the benefits of this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read you guys the benefits and the claims rather of what this product says. It stays color true for 24 hours. Who's really testing 24 hours? Like, y'all got to stop putting that. You got to stop putting that. It's non-fading for 24 hours, non-settling, non-creasing for 12 hours. It is waterproof, sweat and humidity resistant, does not cause acne, a plus, and dermatologist tested, and it is for all skin types. So let's go ahead and try this on, because my makeup is completely done. I just don't have on my bronzer. Then I'm going to do my blush after, so we can kind of complete the look. So let's get into it and see how it looks on my face. I'm going to just put a little clip in my hair, just to clip my hair like out of the way. I hope y'all don't get distracted by this, but this is what I had near me. So I'm just gonna, you know, kind of clip it so it can be out of my way. And we are gonna bronze our face with the new Matte Richer Rosy Skin Finish by MAC. I'm gonna start bronzing right in this area. I normally put bronzer here to sort of define the nose and, you know, all that. So I have a small brush. We're gonna start there first and build this and see. Oh, I gotta turn this way so y'all can see. So this is pretty much the shade that I always get, literally in every brand's bronzer. Okay, I love it so far. It's going on really smoothly. Hopefully you guys can see. Maybe I should come closer. All right, so I scooted in just a little closer so you guys can see me as I do my nose. So yeah, this color looks really good on the nose. So I like that, and it's very smooth, as you can see. It's not very, like, it doesn't seem very powdery. It's like a creamy powder, so it doesn't look like a lot of, like, you know, kick back and fall out. So that's plus. That's a plus. Let's get some under here to define my nose. As you can see, it's already doing that. You can see like the button nose effect that's going on right now. So far so good. So far so good. I told you, MAC doesn't really, at least for me, it doesn't really disappoint. Let's get a little bit more in this area. And it's gonna really define my nose, as y'all can see. I know y'all see it. And it's so smooth. Like, it's not, there's no, like, it's not powdery, which is what I really love. It's a creamy powder with not very much fallout. So we love that. All right, let me just get some more here. I'm just taking my time so we can check the powder out, see how it works, how it builds. I'm just making the line a little darker for the nose contour. And it's defining it so nicely. Hold on. I like to get a little bit right here in front of my eyebrows. So it's like a natural progression when it comes to that line. It has to go right into the brows. It has to end somewhere. You can't just kind of leave that line hanging. You have to connect it into the brows, and it's just like a smoother transition. So that's all I'm gonna do as far as that goes. Okay, so that's enough. So, and it's a perfect color for my complexion. Perfect. All right, so now let's grab a brush for the face. Okay, so I have this angle brush. This is from my set that I got from Amazon, Jessup brushes. I did a video on this, but this is the brush that I use to bronze. It has like an angle on it, so I'm just gonna tap it in here. And you see that I'm tapping it, but you don't see like a lot of that powder. You see how I'm tapping it, but you don't really see the powder, you know, the fallout. Because I don't like that. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and bronze the face. Yeah, I like that. It's a nice, subtle, smooth powder. I really hope you guys can see the color. Let me grab this brush. So this is a really warm red brown, but it's not too red, but it's just enough red. Just enough of what I like, at least. So, you see that? You see it. Let's put a little bit around here, just to add some color to my face. I like this. I really like this. It's so smooth and pretty. I just really hope y'all getting it. Let me just try to lean in closer so y'all can see more of the color. So you can see the reddish brown around this area. Blend it in some more. You can see it on my nose. It's so nice. I love the matte. I guess the luminous one would be nice too, but for bronzers, I just love a nice matte powder bronzer. I love how smooth this is going on. Listen, complexion products are like my favorite. Anything that's for the skin, like, I love it. I love eyeshadows once in a while. I do a little color like I did for you guys today. I threw some color on my eyes. Normally I don't, but the skin is really skinning. Okay, it's really skinning, and I love the color that it adds to my face. So it just gives a little bit more dimension and warmth, and that's typically what a bronzer is supposed to be doing. And it's doing that in the most smoothest way possible. Okay guys, so this is how my skin is looking with the bronzer. It is so smooth. I don't know if you can see the transition. It's so smooth. I need to see if I can go outside and see if I can get a picture or something. But this looks good. Okay, this looks good as fuck. I mean, the color is so, the powder is so smooth. I think the formula is like the biggest thing. Yeah, the color range is really good, but the formula, it's really good. I would love this creamy powder in like an overall face powder. Yeah. All right guys, so this is what it looks like in natural sunlight. Super smooth and pretty, like I told you before. You hear the birds chirping? But yeah, I really like it. Okay, kitty, so I went ahead and took my hair back down, and that was my quick demo and review of the new matte MAC bronzers. Okay, I love it. The formula is top shelf. The formula is top shelf. There's not much fallout. It's a very creamy powder. It's very smooth on the skin. It's not chalky, It is very buttery smooth, and it just melts into the skin, and I love it. The color range is superb. I mean, I don't think anyone's going to have an issue not finding a color. Hopefully not. But the color range is really great for a bronzer, and the formula is perfect. And I absolutely love the way it just looks on my face and how it warmed it up. I just, you know, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. I love complexion products, and this is going to be on my list. And this is what I'm going to be using for the summer when it comes to bronzing, along with probably like 10 other bronzers that I got. But you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. This one is a really nice one. I got to go ahead and check out MAC and check out some more products, because MAC is the OG. MAC been that girl. Before it was all these other brands, it's been MAC. Okay? It's been MAC. All right, let's bring MAC back. All right, guys. Thank you so much for Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything, just leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and be sure to come back and watch another video. Okay? Bye. Meow.